Yes,
Diba? I will just share
okay
this.
lang, coach.
Ginawa ko, sir. Messenger. Nakikita mo naman, sir, no? This screen, sir. Nakikita mo naman screen ko, sir.
Okay lang, sir. Okay.
Okay. This will not take long, sir. Just kind of observe, sir. Kindly observe the idea. Kasi, sir, yan yung implementation natin, sir.
Hindi ko makita.
Wait lang, sir. Ito, nagda-download pa po.
Okay, okay.
Actually, sir, pagtapos kong i-present, share ko naman to sa team din natin.
Oh, yes, coach. Yes.
At tayo, educational, kasi sir, may mga private ako na para sa atin lang. Okay?
Amateurs, if you are ready to climb, there's no more gloomy. Most people never achieve what they're capable of.
Nakikita mo, sir?
So much. What would you like
Okay naman, coach.
into your potential? What could you achieve? Yes, for 5 years, you performed every day at your best. That's what this book is all about. When we want to accomplish something, we're really
Full screen na.
This is the 12-week year live run people around. Explain that to future. Through their work with individuals and companies, the authors have developed a framework that increases your output by 4 times. It's been developed over the years through real-world testing and is supported by evidence from psychology and neuroscience. It shows how through change you're planning and execution, you get more done in 12 weeks than others do in 12 months. As the authors say, it's not what you know, it's not even who you know, it's what you implement that counts. There are 4 key insights from this book that really stuck with me. Firstly, we'll talk about the athletic training technique that inspired this framework. Secondly, redefining the year. Thirdly, the impact and emotion. Spiritual, mental, relationships, financial, professional, personal. Then look at this every day at the start of your day. I've been doing this.
Green, sir, ah. Nakikita mo ba, sir?
Yes, coach. Palakihin nyo lang, coach.
Hindi lang
Medyo
ako.
maliit eh.
Inaano ko siya pinupull screen ko nga siya.
As the authors say, it's not what you know, it's not even who you
Ang hirap
know,
mag-full screen.
it's what you implement that counts.
Okay lang, coach.
That really stuck with me. Firstly, we'll talk about the athletic training technique that inspired this framework. Secondly, redefining the year. Thirdly, the impact and emotional
Dahil
connection.
nakikita mo naman sa mo,
The
kahit
execution
paano,
system itself.
yan yung apat,
Firstly,
sir, eh.
let's talk about periodization. It began as an athletic training technique designed to massively increase performance. It has 3 principles.
Wala.
Concentration and overload on a specific skill.
Kahang sa sanigang, pero okay lang, sige.
Rather than working on all the skills and attributes at once, they focus on one skill at a time for 4 to 6 weeks, and then they move on to the next skill. This technique was first implemented in the preparation for the Olympics and is still widely used today. Periodization doesn't just work in sports, though. It can be used in any aspect of your life to improve your success. The 12-week year is a version of periodization designed to change how you think and act. It defines what's important to do today to achieve your long-term goals. Your results are an outcome of the actions you take, and those actions are just manifestations of your thinking. Therefore, when you change your thinking, everything changes. The result is more urgency and a clearer focus on those few activities that actually drive success. If you complete those actions daily, you're guaranteed to achieve your long-term objectives. The second key point from the book is redefining the year. Most people make their goals for next year at the end of the current.
Panoorin ko yan ulit pag ano, pag may time ako sa work. Walang sound. Yun, coach.
Hello.
Yun, coach.
Ano po napansin niyo doon? Ano po naobserbahan niyo doon? Simpleng actually process po siya. Pero what can you say po, Coach Joker?
Yung pinaka tumatak sa akin doon is yung kung ano yung naiisip mo, i-act mo siya, action, and then doon sa action na yun yung magiging result.
Mhm. Thank you, sir. Sir, kung mapapansin mo, yung mismong unang portion, yung sinasabi kong 12-week versus 12 months. So, kasi sir,
Yes,
kapag
coach.
naka-12-week ka, ano yung mismo nakikita mo doon? Di ba, in a way, merong sense of urgency? Tama?
Mm,
Kailangan, you need to take action kasi nga, goal mo to eh. Kasi nga, ikaw mismo meron akda nito para sa sarili mo. Ikaw ang gagawa, tama po? So meaning, yung
tama.
12 months versus 12 week, yun yung isa sa mga pamamaraan kung bakit kailangan natin execute yung 12 week. Bakit? Sir, kasi sir, sa totoo lang, kapag nag-annualize tayo, sir, anong pinakamas maraming gawain? Yung wala o meron, di ba wala? Ay, tsaka na lang kasi mahaba pa naman yung oras, tama? Ay, tsaka na lang kasi
Tama.
ang gagawin. Pero pagka malapit na yung crucial point, let's say in your case, basta nagturo ka sa, di ba? Kapag may deadline na ano ginagawa mo, sir?
Talagang rush.
Yes, tama. Yun. Actually, that's the concept, sir. Total, sabi ng periodization, total gagawin mo rin naman, ikaw na mag-mindset sa sarili mo. Na every 12 week, itong goal ko. Kasi bakit ang goal mo naman yan para sa'yo, di ba? Tama ba, Coach? So, ibig sabihin, hindi
Yes,
na
coach.
tayo kailangan mag-hype. Tama, thank you, Coach. Hindi na tayo kailangan mag-hype kasi alam mo sa sarili mo, ito ay para sa pamilya mo, ito ay para sa dream mo, tama? Kaya nakita ko to sa
Yes.
sabi ko, if you were going to see Sarah, lahat tayo naka-2-week program talaga. Bawat isa sa atin. Kasi bakit? Alam natin, in my case, auditor ako for 22 years. Sorry, for more than 20 years. Tama, di ba? By April kasi, sir,
Yes.
25 years na ako sa COA. Kung uulitin ko yung 25 years na yan, sir, meron pa bang pwedeng mangyari sa akin na maganda, na mababago? Definitely, kung ulitin ko yung ginagawa ko ngayon, after next 25 years, sir, may nabago, sir. Alam mo kung ano yun, sir?
Pagtanda.
Ang galing mo, sir. Ang galing mo. Tama ka, sir. Kasi yun yung lumipas na eh. At ulitin mo, natatanda ka. Pero ano tanong ko, ano result ng dreams mo? Ano yung nangyari sa pangarap mo? Sayang, sir. Tama? Kaya sabi ko, nakita
Tama.
ko, sir. Tama kasi sir, sabi ko na, nasa Ferrari na tayo, di ba? Deep Good Sir is one of a kind. I'll be honest with you, inaral ko yung system niya. Inaral ko, even I myself, yung quality ng produkto, sir. Alam mo, marami ka ng sinalihan na networking. Ako rin, di ba? Pero bakit ako
Tama.
excited? Sir, sir, our product, not only the club membership, but the entire value ng produkto of highest quality. Ang galing mo, sir. Nakita ko yung suot mo, ha? Galing, powerful yan. So, kailangan maging proud tayo doon, tama? Kasi parang ganito
Yes.
sinabi ko kay Coach, si Coach Gerald, by the way, may ginagawa kaming program. Once nag-click yun, papakita ko. Kasi ayoko muna ng mga kwento-kwento, wala naman nangyari, di ba? But tell you, sir, kinukwento rin kita, Sir Joker, kay Sir Gerald. Sinasabi ko yung ginagawa ko. And he's so excited about you. At sabi ko, lahat naman tayo may ginugusto, di ba? So yung ginugusto natin,
Tama.
yun lang natin. So with this 12 program, kung mapapansin mo sir, di ba may comprehensive GPS program tayo, di ba? Natatandaan mo yon, di ba?
Yes,
Sa
coach.
platform natin, ipa-plug in natin sila, di ba? Natatandaan mo yung GPS na comprehensive natin. Yun lang, kapag magpa-plug in ka, make sure thank you what do you call this, Sir Ipe, nandito ka, one way of plugging in natin. Pagtapos, siyempre, sir, huwag natin kalimutan, katulad ginagawa mo, nagsasubscribe ka, sir. The reason why may 12 week tayo, sir, katulad ko and the rest of us, maraming nag-1 year sa atin, sir. para hindi ka na maipit, sir, sa 1 year, sa monthly mo, sir. Try to make it a point, di ba natatanda mo 12-week program natin? Sir, yung 12K, para ka lang mag-sponsor ng 20, whatever. Basta, parehas natin ha, sir. I mean, meron tayong 10 core values. Kunyari, member lang muna sila. Sir, kapag nakuha mo yun, sir, meron kang $100 doon. So, mag 1 year ka na. Tapos, ituro mo yun, sir, yung sistema na yun. Sir, kasi duplicable yung system natin. Ang good news niyan, sir, mapapansin mo, once they done it, yun lang ang tututukan mo, yung 20 o 4 eh. Tama? Ipa-plugin mo sila, katulad ginagawa natin, nagma-mastermind tayo. And then kung mapapansin mo, doon sa may execution phase, di ba nakikita mo, may daily, weekly, quarterly, and so on, so forth, di ba? Ganun siya, sir. I hope you getting me, sir. Naka-program na tayo, sir. Etong system natin, sir, plug and play system na, di ba po, sir? So, ibig sabihin, we need to really take action. Tama po ba? Okay po? So right now, sir, yung mga ginagawa mo, congratulations, you are consistent sa posting. Lalagyan na lang natin ng rating yan. Kunyari, ang objective mo this week is makasampung posting. Sa loob ng isang linggo, nagawa mo pa yun, di 100 ka. Tama? Sir, lahat ng ginagawa natin ito, accountable tayo sa isa't isa. Kaya kung to mastermind, sir, kamusta posting mo? Ay, nakawa ko 100%. How about yung sharing mo? Ay, nagawa ko. Nakapag-invite ka ba? Ay, nagawa ko. Let's say, the sharing inviting is, let's say, ang plano mo is 7. Ito sa 7, naka-6 ka lang. So, 6/7. Divide mo yung resulta, makikita mo, sir, ano sabi din sa target natin? 85% or above. Panalo ka. Yun yung kinukwento. Kasi sa iba, walang ganon. I'll be honest with you, walang exact and concrete plan. Kaya, nawawala yung consistency. Kaya sabi ko, ang keyword natin dito, sir, is consistent massive execution. Total, nagtatrabaho naman tayo. Ang maging mindset natin dito, hindi naman tayo gugugol ng 10 hours, di ba? I know, malapit na, sir. Just 4 minutes na lang, sir. Alam ko, 1:30 ka eh. I'll be honest with you. So basically, ang gusto ko ma-appreciate natin sa isa't isa, we have an accountable partner sa isa't isa. We have this activity. I-measure natin week after week after week. Katulad ko, actually may program po ko. Bago po tapos ang September, sir, ito, I'll be honest with you, may papasok na po ako 4 na affiliate or 20 members. Yun ang idea. So, kailangan natin matapos itong 20 sa loob ng 12 week. So, sir, ikaw na bahala doon kung paano execute. Kasi bakit every week, sir, like this one, meron tayong ginagawa na masterminding. O, kamusta, sir? How is the 12-week program sa'yo? Ito, sir, ito yung measurement ko. I hope getting me. So, identify natin yung particular activities that will generate, no? That will generate our program. Okay po ba, sir? So, with that,
Yes,
sir,
Coach.
any more question? I think I'm done. May tanong pa po?
Thank you, Coach. Thank you, Coach.
Okay, so with that, sir, thank you so much. Basta ito, sir, tuloy-tuloy na to, sir. Yung
Yes, Coach.
I'll be honest with you, sir, block natin itong oras na to every Sunday, 1 to 2 lang naman. So actually, less than 1 hour lang para makikita natin yung point of comparison natin yung previous week para i-match natin yan dun sa group natin na kailangan kung within 12 week may bago kong 20. Either 20 members or 20 affiliate members at the same time. Bakit? Sir, iduduplicate lang natin system. I tell you, this is powerful. Okay po ba?
Okay, Coach.
So with that, sir, thank you, Coach. Thank you. Bye-bye. God bless.
Thank you, Coach. Yes, Coach.